Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial, we are going to see presentation video on how to change your phone's resolution and refresh rate. Content and motion appear smooth on your phone's screen because every pixel updates to display the latest content from your handset's processor. But this doesn't happen randomly. Panels update their content at regular intervals, known as the refresh rate. Point 1. How to change your phone's resolution. Lowering your phone's resolution is a quick and simple process. Just bear in mind that the exact steps will differ a bit depending on what kind of phone you're using. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Tap Display. 3. Tap Screen Resolution. 4. Choose your desired resolution. Point 2. How do I know my screen refresh rate Android? 1. Go to Settings, About Device greater than, scroll down to Build Number. 2. Tap on the build number 7 times and you will see a notification, you are a developer. 3. Now go to Settings, System, Developer Options. 4. Scroll to look for Show Refresh Rate settings and enable it. 5. It will start to show the current refresh rate of the display on your smartphone display. If you want to disable this feature in the future, you can disable it from the developer's options. To disable this feature, you can go directly to the developer options, you don't have to enable developer options again. Thank you for watching presentation video on refresh rate, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us on www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.